my dear students. How are you all? I think you might be fine. You know, one of the national festivals is going to come. So that's why, in order to learn about that festival, we have to know about our country, our India, and also about some national symbols. Then only we can learn our government properly. So what are you seeing here? Yes, this is the map of India. And in the map of India, you can easily check out we have a tricolor. Why? Because there are three colors in India's flag. One is what? Saffron, white and green. Saffron stands for courage. White stands for, yes, peace. And green stands for prosperity. Now, let's learn the symbols. Yes, this is a photo or a picture about a father of nation. Whom do we call a father of nation? Yes, Mahatma Gandhi is a father of our nation. Now, this is the national symbol of India. It is the national currency. And our national currency is rupiah. When we talk about rupiah, बच्चे आपको र लिखना है and you have to put one line in there. Then only you will have the national currency symbol. Now we have a national anthem. What is a national anthem? Jana Gana Mana. Yes, Jana Gana Mana is our national anthem. And who wrote this? Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore wrote our national anthem. Now, this is a national song, Vande Mataram. And who wrote Vande Mataram? Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. He wrote national song. Now, this is a national language. Which is your national language? Hindi. Hindi is our national language. National emblem. Ashoka stump or Ashoka pillar is our national emblem. बच्चे यहाँ पर तो आपको 3 लाइन्स दिख रहे हैं ना, अदरवाइज दिस इज 4 लाइन्स. हर एक लाइन हर एक डायरेक्शन के अंदर, राइट. लेट्स सी, दिस इज अ नेशनल फेस्टिवल and Independence Day is our national festival. You know, when do we celebrate our Independence Day? It's celebrated on 15th August every year. And on Independence Day, India got freedom from the clutches of British. हमारे को freedom मिली थी from the British rule. और हमारी country अब एक free country हो गई थी जिस पे किसी और country का कोई control नहीं था. Now, dear students, this is a national festival as Republic Day. बच्चे Republic Day पता है क्या होता है? It is celebrated on 26th January every year. When did India become Republic? 26th January 1950. 3 years after independence. What do you mean by Republic now? When our country started with our own constitution. जब हमारी कंट्री ने अपनी गवर्नमेंट बनाई, अपना कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बनाया, देन ओनली इंडिया बिकेम अ रिपब्लिक. बच्चे, नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट? गांधी जयंती. गांधी जयंती भी हमारा एक नेशनल फेस्टिवल है बिकॉज दिस इज द बर्थडे ऑफ आवर फादर ऑफ नेशन. नेक्स्ट इज द नेशनल स्पोर्ट्स. येस, हॉकी इज आवर नेशनल स्पोर्ट्स. नेक्स्ट इज नेशनल एनिमल. टाइगर इज आवर नेशनल एनिमल. Next is national bird. Wow, peacock, colorful feathers, beautiful. This is a national bird. Next is a national aquatic animal. Dolphin is a national aquatic animal. National flag, of course, Tiranga. I told it regarding it in the starting only, isn't it? Yes, orange for courage, white for peace, and green for prosperity. And in the center you have Ashoka Chakra, which is having the 24 spokes. 24 lines का मतलब होता है कि एक दिन में 24 hours होते हैं. Next is National Park. Corbett National Park is a national park here. Next is national flower, which is really important. Lotus. Like India remain blooming like lotus. Next is national tree. Banyan tree is a national tree. Why? Do you know? Because banyan tree के बहुत सारे roots होते हैं जो falling होते हैं. इसी तरह से हमारे को इंडिया में भी growth आनी चाहिए. Next is national river. Ganga is our national river, a holy river. So dear students, I hope you are clear regarding the national symbols. Now, after this, we would be starting with our main topic, that is our government. But we'll do that tomorrow. So revise these national symbols. I will be asking the national symbols tomorrow. Thank you for now. Bye.